Hello guys, I'm AK and today I can tell you about one of the most amazing app, that is Smoke Effect Stylish Name Art. This app is wonderful guys. You can make your stylish name art with using this app. So guys, now I can show you how I can make my stylish name art from this app. So let's start our video. As you can see guys, this app touch that. After that guys, you can see this kind of interface. You can touch the green start option. As you can see the name art on the smoke background. Now guys, I can show you how many features are in this app. First of all guys, you can touch the second option. You can see many type of colorful background are available in this app. Now guys, you can touch the third option, the pencil option. In this option you can write your name. After that guys, you can touch the second option, font option. You can see many type of font are available in this app. After that guys, you can touch the third option, the color option. You can color your font as you wish. After that guys, you can also background your font with color, as you can see. After that, you can touch the tick button. After that guys, you can increase your font size. And after that, you can see the fourth option, the sticker option. Now in this sticker option, you can see many type of smoke sticker, many type of couple sticker, many type of birthday stickers, many type of cool stickers. Now guys, in this cool sticker you can see the Superman sticker, the Iron Man sticker, the Avengers stickers. Many type of stickers are available in this app. The Chennai Super King sticker, and many more. And also you got the heart stickers, the couple stickers, the dragon sticker, the feather stickers. In extras you can see the peacock sticker and many more. Now guys, you can see how I can make my stylish name art from this app. Now first of all guys, you back to the smoke background. Now you can see guys, this looking awesome. Now after that you can touch the tick option on the top of the app. Now this pic is saved in our gallery. Now guys, I can show you how many pics I can make from this app.